If you're looking for an easy meal with no cooking required for breakfast, snacks, or for desserts, you might want to check out these 4 amazing chia puddings. First we have coconut mango. Next we have strawberry walnut. We also have a pumpkin pie flavor, perfect for fall. And lastly, we have a delicious banana almond flavor. Welcome to our health and wellness family. We're going to start by using 4 wide-mouthed jars for the chia puddings. I have 3 different kind of milks here, regular, almond, and coconut, but you can use whatever milk you like. Today I'm only gonna use coconut and almond milk. The base recipe is 1/2 cup of milk to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. You can blend your milks together as well. Today I'm doing 2 coconuts, 1 almond, and a mixture of coconut and almond milk. You could also meal prep a large batch of pudding by using 2 cups of milk and 1/2 cup of chia seeds. Now let's add the chia seeds to the jars. Chia seeds also have the amazing omega-3s, which is great for brain health and heart health. It also have a rich source of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which is great for bone health. Chia seeds is also good for weight management. It is low in calories and high in nutrients. It has lots of protein as well as some of the B vitamins and a good source of zinc, which is great for immunity. Chia seeds have antioxidants like quercetin and is a great source of fiber to help with digestive health. Mix evenly. Next, add a little drizzle of honey to each of the 4 jars. Mix evenly. You could also use maple syrup or stevia if you prefer. A key tip to having a smooth consistency chia pudding is after a few minutes to go back and just stir to get rid of the lumps. Next, cover the chia seed puddings and put it in the fridge for an hour, or you can let it sit for an hour until it gets a smooth consistency. You want a nice creamy consistency. We're going to put the fruit in the middle of the chia pudding so you can take out some, or you can make an additional batch to put on top. We're going to use some frozen mangoes. Add the mangoes to the blender with a little bit of water. Add a dab of honey and blend. Next, add this mango puree to the chia pudding. Now layer a little bit of chia pudding on top. You can use as much as you prefer. Next, add some diced mangoes on top. I love mangoes, they're super delicious. Lastly, add some coconut shreds on top. And now you're finished with the first chia seed pudding. So delicious and yummy. Now to make the strawberry walnut chia pudding. Remove the green bits off the strawberries. Now we're gonna mash the strawberries to make a strawberry puree. Strawberries are high in vitamin C and have the cancer-fighting ellagic acid. Add the strawberry puree to the chia pudding. Next, add a layer of chia pudding on top. Next, cut some strawberries into smaller pieces to go on top. Add as much strawberries as you like. Next, add a few pieces of walnuts. Walnuts have the amazing omega-3s and they're great for brain health. So delicious and healthy. Now for our pumpkin pie chia pudding. You can use some pumpkin from a can or pre-cooked pumpkin. Add the pumpkin to the chia pudding. Pumpkin contains antioxidants and potassium, which is great for heart health. Add some chia pudding on top. Now add a few diced pumpkin on top. Add a good dose of cinnamon to the pumpkin. I also added some nutmeg. So there you have it, a delicious pumpkin pie chia pudding. Now for our banana almond chia pudding. We're going to use half a banana in the middle and half of it on top. Next, add a good dose of almond butter. Next, add half a teaspoon of vanilla. Next, add some crushed almond pieces to go on top of the banana. Add as much almond pieces as you like. Delicious and yummy. 4 delicious and healthy chia seed puddings. Yummy. And for more healthy recipes like these, please check out my natural and holistic health course and book at shirleenwees.com. Please comment below your favorite flavor of chia pudding or which one you're gonna try next. I also want to say thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with family and friends. And until next time, be blessed and stay healthy.